Write the heading. Ratio and proportion. Arey, easy topic, eh? Yes, sir. Next topic we will start with a simple interest. I forgot to teach the ratio. Ready? Those who are mathematically weak. This is your topic. Kenji? Okay. You attacked the breakfast already, I think. Yes. Listen, boss. Are you remember? All are having the allegation handout also? Whatever handout I given, I am not given for a play, sale it for kabaddi wala. You have to keep all the handout with you. How dirty people. Are you remember in allegation mixture I said two questions we will solve in ratio topic? That we will do today. Understood this bar? Right, okay. Late once is well late. You see how much time I have to wait. That's why I am coming late, but because of you people late. You see, you ask everybody, Swami sir is the most on-time person. I only will open the building, I only close the building like that time. But you people made me to do like that. I will fight with some of the teachers who are come on time because it is disturbing my class. But you people make me to study. You see what is time now? Half an hour later. Yes, Asji. Male teacher. You see next class, Patan Deepika Badugun dress I will come. Yes. He thinks now thinking how next like this. How danger person. That will be right today. Ready? What happened? You want to join with that female CSAT teacher, huh? Acha. Ready? Ready, everybody? Those who are mathematically weak, this is your topic. So, minimum 1 or 2 questions every year. Minimum. Are you understand this, boss? So, I will start today. By next class, I will try to wind up. We will see. Okay, boss? Right. So, introduction. I will not teach much introduction here because what is the use of solving the question for UPSC the way they asked? That is not required. You directly hit it somewhere. Understand this, boss? Then equally mixing. What is equally mixing? Then what is unequally mixing? Unknown quantities are added or removed. Like this, we studied somewhere. Don't worry. Coin related question. You have 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 25 paisa, this many coins like that. Next, income expenditure saving. Then related to proportion. Then miscellaneous. Miscellaneous related to average questions, IAS questions. We already done this type of question in there, but I will hint you one question, then you will be able to recall it. Speed, time and distance, etc. Understood or not? Allah understand this, boss? What happened, boss? Yes, ready? Ready? Right. So we will start. We can. What is this? While teaching proportion, then I will tell you the definition of ratio and what is proportion and all this thing. Understand this, boss? We can express the ratio in the format of A is to B or we can express A by B. Are you understand this, boss? No need for going antecedent, precedent, leave all these things. That is not required for UPSC. Do you understand this, boss? For example, anywhere the statement says milk is 2 by 5. What is 2 by 5? Milk is 2 by 5. That means 2 is to 5. Okay, boss. What is the meaning of 2? What is the meaning of 5? Out of total solution, milk is how much unit? 2 unit. Are you understand this, boss? So how can you write this? So for example, what is the ratio of milk is to water? Milk is how much? 2 by 5. Then what is the remaining water? So now remaining means, for example, out of 100, I am giving him to 35. What is the remaining? 100 minus 35. If it is in percentage form, total assume 100 percentage. If it is in ratio, assume total is 1 or 1 by 1. Are you understand this? So what is the remaining? Out of total 1. So remaining is this much. So 1 minus 2 by 5. Are you understand this, boss? Whatever I am writing, you cannot express like this. That's why I am writing. Are you understand this, boss? So 1 into 5, 5 minus 2. That means 2 by 5 is to 3 by 5. Cancel, what is the ratio? 2 is to 3 is called milk is to water. Listen now carefully. What is the ratio of milk is to water? 2 by 5 means how much? 2 by 5 is called water milk. How much percentage milk? Multiply by 100. Cancel, what you will get? So milk is 40%. What is the remaining water? Percentage means total has to be 100 percentage. So out of 100 percentage, so what milk is 40. What is the remaining water? 60%. Are you understand this, boss? Now cancel. What you will get? 2 is to 3. Are you understand this? Totally silent, eh? Allah understand this, boss? What is the ratio of milk is to water? Total how much solution? Milk plus water is 5. Out of 5 unit, not 5, it is 5x, 5 part or 5 unit. Out of 5 unit, milk is how much unit? So what is the remaining? 3 unit is the water. So I will not write express like this. I will not write like this. I will prefer like this. Understood or not understood? Totally silent. Allah understood this, boss. Understand this? Understand everybody? Understand this, boss? Now we can write it directly like this. Why? For example, here 2 by 7. Milk is how much? 2 by 7. 2 by 7 means how much percentage? 1 by 7 is 14.28 into 2. That means 28.56 percentage. Then remaining cancellation takes some time for you. So converting into percentage is not always what easy to calculate. Are you understand this, bar? This is waste of the time. The best interpretation like this. So if you see anywhere the ratio, then you have to think what is given in the ratio. Either milk is to water or milk. If it is milk is to water like that given, then you can solve the question directly. If it is milk is given, then you have to convert into milk is to water for solving the question. Are you understand? Not understand this, boss? You're totally silent. Understood what I am saying, boss? Ratio means order is very important. Understand this, boss? What is order is very important. Milk is to water. That is 2 is to 3. What is called 2 is to 3? Milk is to water. What is water is to milk? That is 3 is to 2. But in option sometimes, if your answer is 2 is to 3, then 3 is to 2 also given. So order is very important. After you convert, finally getting an answer in ratio, again check one more time the answer, what order they asked. Follow that order. Are you understood or not understand this? But otherwise, what is we are habitual of doing? Whatever will get the answer, tick that answer. But in answer, milk is to water, water is to milk is asked. Understood this? But you are getting 2 is to 3, you will take the 2 is to 3 there. Are you understood or not understand this? Totally silent, Right. If AX equal to BY equal to CZ format, then what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? Sir, what is this? You will ask like that. Listen carefully. A's income is 2 times of A's income is equal to 3 times of B's income is equal to 4 times of C's income. Now, what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? Are you understood? You're silent, eh? Understand this part. Just listen the procedure. Then I will tell you directly how to solve. Ready? So first, take first two. Ax equal to by. Are you understand this? Here b multiplied comes here. Divide. Here x multiplied if it goes there. That means what is a is to b value? Y is to x. Are you understand this, boss? Then take b and c. So by is equal to cz. Here c multiplied comes here, divide. Here y multiplied goes there, what? Divide. Now what is the ratio of b is to c? That is z is to y. Are you understand this, boss? Silent. Now are you remember race topic? I told you how to merge this into single race. A is to b is what? Y is to x. Then b is to c is z is to y. Now who is the common person? B. Who is above common? Who is common? Who is below common? That I am going to derive. Are you understood or not understand? Now vertically multiply. That is the first part. Why is that? Vertically multiply. That is the last part. XY cross multiply. That is the middle part. Are you remember or not remember? I taught like that. I totally silent. Understand? Getting? What happened? Array race topic I taught like this. I taught already. If they are not common, how to do like that? I taught all this thing. Race topic. Somebody thinking how dirty people. I will curse everybody. Yes. Already. It is a procedure, but it is a waste of the time. Are you ready now? How we are solving directly? I need a value. You forgot this. Multiply this two. Y and Z is called a value. You see? I need B value. X into Z is called B value. I need C value. That is X into Y is called C value. R. Ready? What is the LCM of X, LCM of XYZ? XYZ divided by X. Y is that first term? XYZ divided by Y. Second term. XYZ divided by Z. That is the third term. Are you understood or not understood this? Come to here. Now tell me, what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? What is the LCM? What is A? First method. Hide this 3 into 4. 12. What is B value? 2 into 4. What is C value? 2 into 3. Are you understand this? In all this, any common is there? Yes, what is the common? Otherwise, you write 12 is to 8 is to 6. Further simplify. What? 6 is to 4 is to 3. What is the LCM of? What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? What is the LCM? 12. 12 divided by 2. 6. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 4. Are you understood or not? I totally silent. Understood this? Understand this? Understand this? If the information are in the form of like this. Understand? Ready? Now, are you listening? What is A value? 1 by A equal to 1 by X. Here X divided, if it goes there, multiply. AX equal to, next, what is the B value? 1 by Y. So here Y divided, if it goes there, so BY equal to 1. What is C value? So cross multiply what? Right hand side are equal. So left hand side has to be equal. That means what is left hand side? AX equal to BY is equal to, that is equal to 1. So no need of writing. If this is the format, that simplified version is this. Are you understand this bar? Totally silent. That means you know how to derive what is the ratio of A is to B is to C. What is the LCM of X, Y, Z? X, Y, Z by X. Y, Z is the first term, A value. Then what is B value? X is Z. You know already what I am saying. Next what? X, Y. Are you understood or not understood? No need of converting into this, then solving. Waste of the timing. What is LCM of X, Y, Z? X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z by X. Multiply the numerator. Y is Z. X, Y, Z divided by Y. X is Z. Multiply the numerator. Same X is Z. X, Y, Z divided by Z. Multiply the numerator. Same thing. Are you understood or not understood this? Bar. It totally silent. Right. If information are in the format of like this, AX equal to BY equal to C. Are you understand this? Or what is this? For example, half of A's value is equal to, okay, boss, 1/3 of, next time I write numerator some value, don't worry. 1/3 of B, then 1/3 of 1/5 of C. Now the question will ask what? A is to B is to C. Are you understood or not understood this bar? Totally silent. Now listen, what does it? Ready? So what is the ratio of now? A is to B is to C. First I will tell you what is this, then we will directly hit it. Ready? All ready? Now take it first to. What is that? A by X equal to B by, here B multiplied comes here divide. X divided it goes there, what multiply? That means what is A is to B? X is to Y. Are you understood what I am writing? Okay. Next, this two. B by Y is equal to C by Z. So here C multiplied comes here divide. Then Y divide if it goes there what? Multiply. All are understood what I am saying was? Now B is to C is how much? Y. You know A is to B. You know B is to C. You know how to merge into single. Are you remember rest of it? Right. Okay. Tell me how can you do? A is to B is X is to Y. B is to C is Y is to Z. Are you understood or not understand? Who is the common person? That person must be here. Then who is above common? A. Who is common? Who is below common? That we are going to derive. Tell me vertically. X, Y. That is the first part. Then cross multiply. Y, Y second part. Vertically multiply. That is what? Third part. What is that? Y is that. Now cancel. What is that? Any common is that? What is the common? So what you will get? X is to Y is to Z. Are you understood or not understand this? No need of solving. If the given information are in this format, whatever below A, that is a A value. What is that? X. Whatever below B, that is a B value. Whatever below C, that is a C value. Are you understood or not understand? So we have time to calculate it. Now tell me, what is A is to B is to C? What is below A? Array, that means A by 2. What is below A? 2 here, 3 here, 5. When you can write like this, if and only numerator is nothing number. Otherwise, what is the best method? What is the LCM of 2, 3, 5? Either 5 or multiply of 5 is the LCM. Bigger number or multiply of bigger number. What is the bigger number? Is it exactly divided by remaining number? 5 is not the LCM. Then what is the LCM? Multiply of 5. What next multiple? 10. No. Next multiple. 15. No. Next 20. No. Next 25. No. Next 30. Yes. 30 divided by 2. 15. Multiply the numerator. 15. 30 divided by 3. Then multiply the numerator. 30 divided by 5. Multiply the numerator. Are you understand this? Further simplify. What you will get? Now tell me. How can you do? You see here, you see here. We can't do like this. Are you understood or not understood this? But so whatever below A, that is the A value. Whatever below B, that is the B value. Whatever below C, that is the C value. Are you understood or not understand this? It will be silent. All are understood this? Kenji? Right. Dirty people. Listen now carefully. Question is like this. If 1 by A is to 1 by B is to 1 by C, then 1 by X, 1 by Y, 1 by Z. Then what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? Ready? Put silent. Understand this? Madam Joy? Now tell me, what is the 1 by A value? First I will tell you, then we will see. What is 1 by A? That is 1 by X. Are you understood this, boss? Put silent. I should not understand this. Now tell me, A will go here and this will come here. What you will get? A by X equal to 1. Are you understand this? Now what is 1 by B value? 1 by Y. B divided goes there, multiply. So B by Y is equal to what? 1. Next 1 by C value is how much? 1 by Z. This will go there, what you will get? C by Z is equal to 1. Right hand side are equal. So left hand side has to be equal. What is left hand side? A by X equal to B by Y equal to C by Z is equal to 1. No need of writing. Now, if the statement are in this format, that is synonyms to this. Now, you know how to derive A is to B is to C. How can you derive A is to B is to C? Whatever below A. What is below A? X. What is below B? What is below C? That are you understood or not? Are you understand this? Silent. Come on, Jay. Right. Next, for example. You know already. A is to B is given, B is to C is given. Who is the common person? You write this. 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 4. Are you remembering this topic? So now I am writing like this also example. A is to B, B is to C. 2 is to 3 and here 4 is to 5. Are you understand this? Still silent, eh? What is the difference between these two examples? So B is common. Understand? Value also common. Here B is common. Value not common. So I have to make it a common. World prehistoric method. In rest topic I told you. What is the LCM of 3 and 12? Sorry, 3 and 4? 12. How can I convert this into 12? So not only you cannot multiply one term by 4, you have to multiply both the term. I have to multiply this by 4. How can you convert this into 12? Into 3 both the term. Waste of time, prehistoric method. Understand this. Irrespective of they are same or not same. Same procedure. What is same procedure? Who is above common? A. Who is common? Who is below common? That I am going to derive. Vertically multiply first term. You have to multiply in the direction of the common term. 3 into 4, 12. Vertically multiply last term. Are you understand this, boss? Remember all are. Who is above common? A. Who is common? Who is below common? C. Now tell me, multiply vertically. 6. Cross multiply. Multiply. Are you understood or not understand? But further simplify, cancelled. But there is no cancel. Common character is not there. So divided by 3. What you will get? Are you understood or not? I taught you like that. Are you remember race topic? For example, online people all are recall racer.
Yes, sir.
A is to B is given 2 is to 3 and C is to B is given 4 is to 5. Who is the common person? B. I need common person must be in this order. Are you understand? Then only you can multiply the way we multiplied. Otherwise, every situation you have to change the way of multiplication. So I am converting into only one method, only one interpretation. Common character must be here. Understand this? So what is the common character between these two? This B is in proper place, but this B is not in proper place. I have to convert it. So what I will do? First, as it is, A is to B, what? 2 is to 3. What is second? I have to reverse this. Not only reverse this value also. What I will get? 5 is to 4. Are you understand this bar? Are recalling a rest topic? Who is above common? A. Who is common? Who is below common? Now tell me. 10 is to 15 is to 12. Are you understood or not? All are understand this bar. All are remember. Now listen carefully. For example, Who is the common? A is common. Understand? I need A must be in this order to multiply the way I multiply. That means both A is not in proper order. I have to convert into proper order. Tell me, first what I have to write? I need A must be here. So first reverse what? B is to A. What is B is to A? Next reverse it. A is to C. What you will get? Are you understand this bar? Who is the common person? A. And who is above common? B. Who is common? Who is below common? This we are going to derive now. B is to A is to C. Tell me, vertically multiply first term 8. Vertically multiply last term. Now cross multiply what? That is the answer. Now tell me, what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? What is A part? What is B part? What is C part? Are you understood it? Remember the topic. Rest topic. Kamlesh ji. Okay. Understand this? Come take. Here A is to B, C is to B. How many different terms are there? 3 terms are there. So we have to derive 3 terms here. Come to here. In how many different terms are there? I am not asking how many ratio. How many different terms are there? 4. We are going to derive the 4 term. What is A is to B is to C is to D? Are you ready? Listen now carefully. Multiply vertically as usual. What is that? What is that? A, B, C. That is the first term as usual. Multiply the last term. What is that? Vertically. B, C. That is the last term here. Multiply vertically. Are you understand this? Next B, B, C. That is the second term. Next, what is the third term? B, C, C. Are you understand this, boss? Who is the common in all this? B means I will jump from the building in. B and C. Yes, B, C, B, C, B, C, B, C. Understood, not understood. Who is left out? Who is left out? A. Here, here, here. Are you understood? Not. All are understand. Totally silent, eh? Online, all are understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understand? All are understand this? Right. Next, please. So now, container or vessel? Container or vessel? Okay, boss. The capacity or we can say how much maximum it can hold. That is called what? Capacity or volume of the container. Are you understand? How much, don't sleep. How much maximum it can hold? That is called capacity or volume of the container. Are you understand this, boss? Now the question says like this. One container is there. That capacity or volume is maximum it can hold 10 liter. Now the question says, so in a 10 liter vessel, milk and water is there. Milk and now you will ask, milk and water means solution. How much is solution inside? We don't know. Then assume total solution is volume is equal to total solution. Then easy to calculate. Are you understood or not understood this class? All are understand? That means we have to assume it is what? Total capacity is equal to total solution. Otherwise, question specifically mention how much is solution inside. All are understood this bar? They totally silent. Are you understood what I am saying language? Are you understand this bar? Right, okay. Next listen carefully. For example, 2 containers are there, full of milk and water. So the 10 liter, 10 liter. Understand this, boss? 10 liter is called milk. Capacity or volume, right? Okay. How much inside? 10 liter solution. So is 10 liter is only milk? No, only water. 10 liter is what? Solution. That means in 10 liter, some are milk, some are water. Are you understand this, boss? Now I am going to empty this container. I am going to empty this container in the larger container or another container. How much liter I am emptying? 10 liter. and I am going to empty this container. So how much liter I am going to empty? 10 liter. So in the new container, how much total solution? 20 liter. Are you understand? Now listen my language. How these two solutions are mixing in these two containers? Cancelled. 1:1. Are you understand this bar? These two solutions are mixing in what ratio? If one only values are 1:1 like that, that kind of mixing is called equally mixing. Are you understood? Not understand this? You're totally silent. Are you understand? If it is not, for example, 1:2, it is not equally mixing. It becomes unequally mixing. Understood? Not understand this? Allah understand this, boss? Allah understand? What is 1:1? Which are equally mixing? Not milk, not water, milk, water. So how these two container are, these two vessel are, these two solution are mixing in the new container in the ratio of 1:1. That means equally mixing. Understood? Not understood? Allah understood this, boss? Now listen. So now capacity or volume is 9 liter. Milk and water is there. Capacity or volume is 7 liter. Milk and water is there. Are you understand this? Are you understand this, boss? Now I am emptying the first container. Emptying the second container. In the another container. Tell me how much liter I am emptying? 9 liter. How much liter I am emptying from this? 7 liter. From the first container or first solution, second container or from the second solution. Are you understood or not understand this, boss? Totally silent. Now tell me the new container, what is the total solution inside? 9 plus 7, 16 liter. Understand this, boss? But in what ratio these two solution are mixing? So now liter cancelled. What you will get? 9:7. Is it 1:1? That means these two solution are mixing in what ratio? Are you understood or not understood? Are you understand this? Now, in the new solution, what is the ratio of milk and water? 9:7. If I am removing some solution from it, in that solution, milk and water in the ratio 9:7. Totally silent. If I am removing some solution from this, in that solution, milk and water must be 1:1. I totally silent. All are understood or not understand this bar? Now tell me, equally mixing means that has in the ratio 1:1 like that is there. So if it is not 1:1, that means unequally mixing. Now can we decide how they are mixing? Here how they are mixing? How these two solutions are mixing? Equally. How these two solutions are mixing? How can we decide it? Can we decide how they are mixing? Equally or unequally? Based upon the capacity or volume of the container? No. Sir, what does it mean? Here 10 liter. So 1:1. Here 9 liter, 7 liter. Here it's what? 9:1. Can we decide how they are mixing depends upon the capacity or volume of the container? No. Sir, why? Listen now. 5 liters of milk and water. 5 liters of milk and water. Understand? First container, second container. First solution, second solution. Now can we decide they are going to mix equally? No. Why? Because, so don't decide the mixing ratio depends upon the capacity or volume of the container. Then how can we decide it? From each container or solution, how much you are taking from this solution, how much you are taking from this solution, that only will decide equally or unequally mixing. Understood? For example, from first solution, I am taking 3 liter. I am pouring into new container. From second container or second solution, I am taking, for example, 4 liter and pouring here. Now in the new container, what is the total solution? 7 liter. What is the ratio? That means these two solution are mixing in what? 3:4. Is it equally or unequally? Unequally mixing. But capacity or volume is same. Are you understood or not understand this? Not only 2, you can write another n number of vessel also. Same procedure. Are you understand this, boss? Now listen. So 6 liters of milk and water. Another container having 7 liters of milk and water. Are you understood? Not understand this, boss? Now, can we decide they are going to mix unequally? May or may not be. That depends upon from each container or solution how much you are taking and mixing in the new container. That only will decide it. Understood or not understand this word? I understand. For example, from the first container I am taking 4 liter. So here 4 liter. From the second container I am taking 4 liter and pouring here. Now tell me the new container, what is the ratio of milk is to water? 1:1. Are they mixing equally or not? Yes, equally mixing. Are you understood? Not understand. But in the new container, what is the total solution? 8 liter. If I taking some solution from this, that means in that solution, how much milk, how much water? 1:1 ratio. If I am taking some solution from this, how much milk will come, how much water will come? 3:4, 3:4 ratio. Understood or not understand? Are you understand? In this topic also, we will remove solution and we will add milk. Are you understood or not understand? All are understand? Or we are adding another solution having different ratio. Are you understood or not understand this? Bah, totally silent. Don't decide the mixing ratio based upon the capacity or volume of the container. Understood this? Bah. For example, 2 liters full of milk and water. 3 liters full of milk and water. 4 liters full of milk and water. Tell me, how these 3 solutions are mixing in the new container? Are they going to mix equally or unequally? Huh? Depends upon what? From each solution, how much you are taking and mixing in the new container, that only will decide equal or unequally. Are you understand this bar? If I'm emptying here, if I empty, tell me. Tell me what ratio? Equally or unequally? Are you understood or not understand this bar? Are you understand this bar? It will be silent there. Ready? From here, I am taking 1 liter. Sorry, I apologize. 3 liter, 4 liter, 5 liter. I am taking here 2 liter. From here 2 liter. From here 2 liter. Tell me the new container. What ratio? Cancelled water? Are equally or unequally mixing? Are you n number of solutions are there? Same procedure. Understood or not understand? Now you understand what is the meaning of equally or unequally mixing? Question will not say ask you. Question will never say they are mixing equally or unequally. We have to derive from the question. Sir, what is the use of deriving equally or unequally? That will shorten the calculation. That means that will shorten the method to solve the question. Are you understood or not understand? All are understand? Online people understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
All are ready now, ba? All are ready. Don't think now, sir, what is proportion, what is ratio and all this thing. In second class we will, second or third class. Are you understand this, ba? Earlier I will taught first that only. Understand this, boss? What is called duplicate ratio, subduplicate ratio, proportion. Okay, boss, mean proportion. Not your earlier. I'm not saying your batch, but next day people won't know. They think, sir, what is this? Understood this, boss? What is the application in solving the question, sir? That is very less. Are you understand this, ba? Silent, all are ready? All are ready. So I will share some question. So first we will decide whether they are equally mixing or unequally mixing. In next class, you will get the handout of this. Not this, some other handout also. What happened, madam? What happened, boss? Boss, are you fine? I will read in the night time. Acha. Open. Are received or not received? Done? All are received? Next class you will get the handout. Don't worry. Difficult to read. Yes, because senior citizens are there. So, question number 1. Oh, acha, yaar, I forgot to edit that name. No issue. I am the owner of this file. So, no. Anji. So, I'm unable to read. Yes. So, can anybody read? Question number 1. And don't read like that. So, two vessels. So, how many vessels you have? Two vessels of, listen the language what I am saying. Two vessels, you have two vessels. What is called equal size? Capacity or volume of the containers are same. For example, first vessel 10 liters, second vessel 10 liters. For example, easy for me to say. Are you understand this, boss? Further continue. What is the meaning of wine and water? Very good question. Yes. So now, equal quantity. What is called equal quantity of wine and water? What is the meaning of equal quantity of wine and water? That is the problem. What is called, you see what, further read. In first solution, what is the ratio of wine is to water is given. Second solution, wine and water is solution. Now tell me what is the meaning of equal quantity. In first container, total solution is 7 liter. Second also 7 liter. First container, total solution is 5 liter. Here also 5 liter. Like that. Are you understood? That is called equal quantity of the solution. Total solution I am saying. Are you understand this, boss? Not only capacity, for example, boss, here 10 liter capacity one container, 10 liter capacity one container. Inside wine water. Are you understand this, boss? Maybe here 7 liter, here 6 liter possible. Understand? Or here 7 liter, here 7 liter possible. But the question says equal quantity. That means whatever the total solution here, same total solution has to be there. But ratio of the ingredients are different. Are you understood? Not understand this, may or may not be. Are you understand this? What is called equal quantity? Total solution must be same. Here 9 liter solution, here also 9 liter solution. Here 10 liter, here also 10 liter. Are you understood? Not understand this, now tell me, what is the first solution ingredient ratio? 8 is, what is 8? What is 9? 8 is 1, water is 9. Second solution, what is the ingredient ratio? Further read. Tell me from first solution how much I take and mix in the new container. From second, how much I am taking to mix in the new container. Is it given? That means we have to assume entire container. For example, 10 liter, 10 liter, or 9 liter, 9 liter, 8 liter, 8 liter. Cancel. What is the ratio? What is called 1:1? What is 1:1? I know that. What is 1:1? Is it milk is to water is 1:1? No. What is called 1:1? These two solutions are mixing in. These two solutions are mixing in what ratio? 1:1. Are you understand this, boy? That means equal or unequally mixing. First question, write 1:1 and write equally mixing. Understood and not understood. But what is asked in the question? In the new solution, what is the ratio of wine and water? The ingredient ratio that we derived through calculation. Understood and not understood. All are understood what I am saying, but what is called 1:1? That is called equally mixing. So these two solutions are mixing in the ratio 1:1. But that is not equal to wine is to water. Are you understand this? If I am mixing these two solutions, I am creating the new solution. What is the ratio of milk and water in the new solution? That we don't know. I have to calculate. But how these two solutions are mixing? That is in the ratio of 1:1. All are understood or not understood? Equally mixing. Are you understand this? Question not asked. What is asked in the question? Ingredient ratio is asked in the new solution. That we will solve it in the board. Are you understand this? Now I am teaching how these solutions are mixing in the new container. Yes, what do you ask? No, you, backside. You want to say something? You are saying answer, eh? Don't go ahead of me. So question number 2. You read yourself, I will shoot the question. Question number 2. Allow your mind to read. Why this much is in your batch? It is clear or same? This also I given handout. I will give you, don't worry. Because today is Women's Day, so holiday for printout. Question number 2. Done reading? Done reading? Tell me, how many container you have? How many container you have? 4 container means 4 solution you have. Inside solutions are there. Tell me, capacity or volume of each container are same or different? How do you know same? Where they saying? Where they said equal size. So capacity or volume of the container are same. You're totally silent. Tell me, inside each container, how much solution is there? Is it given or not given? Anji? Answer my question. Is it given or not given? That means we have to assume all are what? Same. Understand? All understand this? Tell me now. In first container, how much milk is given? What is given? Milk concentration is given. Concentration is synonyms to percentage. Oh, my face not visible. Sorry. So concentration is synonyms to percentage. Percentage means what is total? That means in first container, total solution is 100%. Out of 100%, milk is 100%. What is the remaining water? Are you understand this? Understand? Second container, how much milk concentration? 70. What is the remaining water? 30. Third solution, how much milk? What is the remaining water? And fourth container, what is the remaining water? Are you understood or not understand? Now tell me, from each container, how much you are taking and the mixing in the new container? Is it given or not given? Is it given like that? Is it given or not given? That means we have to assume entire container. First container take entire 100%. Second container take entire 100. Third 100. Fourth 100. In the new container, how much total solution? 400%. In what ratio these 4 solutions are mixing in the new container? 100%, 100%, 100% cancelled. What is the ratio? 1:1:1:1:1. Right in the side of the question. Then equally mixing. Understood or not understand? Online people understood what I am saying? Online? What somebody typed?
Yes, sir.
All are understood what I am teaching. You have to feel what I am teaching. So you see how I am teaching you. I will tell you how to mix. I am teaching you how to pour the ice and mixing Coke or something. Then I will teach you how to drink it also. Understood, not understood. Understand this, but you have to feel what you are mixing. You first, before drink something, you have to feel the taste like this. So like that, you have to smell the question. You see how I am making you to smell the question. Understood, not understand. Understood this, but I'll understand. So some 5 years back, I was some 10 years back, I think. So I was some issue happened. So I was a heavy drinker at that time. So I will teach from morning 7:30 to night 7:30. Then we will go to some shop. Up to 12 they will close it. Then the owner will drop me in my home. So like that I was there. Then it is affected my analytical skill. It started decreasing. Understood this, but then I stopped it. Understood this, but I went to that peak stage, then I stopped. Understood or not understand? Then I become more spiritually. I wrongly assumed that will give me the pleasure. That will make forgot my past. But that is wrong. That is a temporary thing. So don't spoil your health. After that only I got diabetics. I got hypertension, BP. After that only, understood this, boss. So all this sleeping problem, it aggravated. So don't drink or smoke. I never smoked in my life, but don't drink, don't smoke, irrespective of boy or girl. I'm saying like this. Understood this, boss? Yes, right. All ready? Ready? Yes, sir. What? Oh, I don't know. I've never tried. Yes, yes, yes. Allah ready? Don't generalize everything. Ready, boss? Allah ready? Next question. Question number 3. You read, I will shoot the question. 3. You read, I will ask the question. You have to feel the question. Read the way you feel. Don't take a double meaning. Yes, read yourself third question. 30 people in my class. Yes. What happened? Boss, it is G. What happened? Done? Tell me, how many container in the third question? 2 container. What about their capacity? Same or different? Who told you? We don't know. Irrespective of same or different, I don't care. Why? I will tell you next step. Tell me in first container, what is the ingredient ratio? Second container, what is the ingredient ratio? Tell me from each container how much solution I have to take and mix in the new container. Is it given? Yes. What is the 2:1? What is 2:3? It is not milk is to water. From first solution, you have to take 2 units of the solution. From second, you have to take 3 units of the solution. Now you are mixing in the new container. That means irrespective of capacity or volume or same or different, I don't care. From first container, I am taking 2 units of solution. From second, I am taking 3 units of solution. This is 2:3. It is not 1:1. That means these 2 solutions are mixing in the new container unequally. Understood? Not understand. Because of 2:3, it is unequally mixing. Understood or not understand? Unless people understand what I am saying? All understand this? Are you understood what I am teaching? 2:3 is not ingredient ratio. 2:3 is called, these 2 solutions are mixing in the 2:3. From first container, you are taking 2 units of the solution. From second container, you are taking 3 units of the solution. Now, new container, then now what? How these 2 solutions are mixing? 2:3. Are you understood or not understand this? Wow. You're totally silent. Are you understand this? Are you understand this, boss? Totally silent. But, okay. Leave it. Are you understand this, boss? Understand this? So, equally or unequally mixing? Unequally. Question number 4. They read the way you read. Done? Tell me how many container you have? 3 container. Is there capacity or volume is given? Tell me first container how much capacity? Second, third, 9. Then how much inside solution? How much inside each container solution? We don't know. That means entire 2 liter, 3 liter. Next, sir, earlier question you are not saying like this. Because earlier question mixing ratio is directly given. I don't care how much capacity of the volume of the container. I don't care. Are you understood or not understand this? In this question, we are going to derive this. Mixing ratio given in the question. No, I will jump from the building, write your name. Where is the mixing ratio given? No, in third question, 2:3 is given. In what way you are mixing the solution is directly given. But in this question, you have to derive. That means first container capacity is 2 liter. But tell me in the 2 liter container, how much is solution inside? We don't know. So assume entire 2 liter. Otherwise, person to person, you will get different answer. Are you understand? Second container capacity is how much liter? How much solution is there? Not given. Assume water. 5 liter. Next, 9 liter. Next ingredient ratio is given. Sorry, percentage. So in first solution, how much milk? 90% of water. That is okay. 90% of water. 2 liter. What is the remaining water? 10% of 2 liter. Like that. So first container, second, third. Tell me from each container how much solution I have to take and mix in the new container. Is it given or not given? How do you know it is given? Emptying into new vessel. Tell me. First container empty. How much liter empty? 2 liter. Second container empty. Third container empty. Tell me in the new container how much total solution? Answer my question. In the new container, how much my total solution? 16 liter. Tell me, in the new container, how these three solutions are mixing? Anji? 2:5:9. Is it 1:1:1? That means unequally mixing. Understood, not understand. So the mixing ratio for this question is what? 2:5:9. Write it while solving. Don't ask, sir, it is not given. How, where it is given? You will ask like that. Because I know some people will ask in every batch like this. Are you understand? Tell me in first question. What is the mixing ratio? You derived 1:1. So equally mixing. Second question. What is the mixing ratio? You derive it and concluded equally mixing. Third question. What is the mixing ratio? It is already given in the question. What you concluded? Unequally mixing. Fourth question. What is the mixing ratio? 2:5:9. You derived and tell me, is it equally or unequally? Unequal. Understood and not understand this. All are understood this bar. That will decide the method. That's what I am saying. All are understood this bar. Understood what I am teaching? Right. Okay. Next I will tell you. You are thinking answer. No, we are not deriving the ratio of the ingredient. We are deriving the ratio of the how these two solutions are mixing. You are solving the question. I am not teaching to solve. You are solving, sir. Can I take it to 90% of 2 liter or not? Why you are going next step of me? I am not teaching that thing. Next step. Yes. I am teaching you what? I am teaching how these two solutions are mixing. What happened? Oh, now everything like that only. So if you see some 10 years back, I am very vocal in current affairs. Understood this, boss? So after that, I will be silent. Otherwise, people will beat me. Otherwise, they will arrest me. Because speaking the truth is very difficult. That's what this. So I am hiding inside my house. All the time, current affairs, the teachers will say, "Sir, please don't discuss the current affairs." Can you see the next file? Yes, yes. Array? Next file, are you received or not received? No, next file. Huh? I am not given this to get the answer. Question number 37. Is it there 37? Is it 37 is there? Totally silent. Right. You read yourself. I will show to the question. Question number 37 in the new file I shared. 37. Read the way you read. Otherwise, I will expose you. Friends reading? You are reading too fast. That is wrong. Already silent. So right. Friends reading? Tell me how many container you have? 2 container. Capacity or volume is same or different? How do you know? Same type means I will come to your house. Equal. Are you understood? Do not understand this, but same type means it may be glass, it may be plastic, it may be brands. Are you understand, Kenji? Right, okay. Now equal capacity. Are you understand this, bar? So now, listen now carefully. So far, ingredient ratio directly given in the question. 4 questions we done. We discussed. In this question, what is the first fraction? What is 1/2? 1/3, yeah. What is 1/3? 1:3, I know how 30%. What is that 1/3? Not milk is to water. This is what the question says. Milk is 1/3. I have to convert into milk is to water. What is the ratio of milk is to water? I will come to your house, I will hang in the front. Milk, out of 3 total, 1 is milk, remaining 2 is water, so 1:2. Second fraction. What is the fraction? 1/4. 1/4 is milk. What is the ratio of milk is to water? One is you have to convert it. Are you understood or not understand? Tell me from each container how much solution I have to take and mix in the new container. Is it given or not given? Not given. So I have to take entire container. But the initial first line equal capacity, same type. And so equal size. 10 liter for example. So 10 liter. Cancel what is the ratio? 1:1. Are you understand? That means equally or unequally mixing? Equally mixing. In this type of question will not ask you how much total solution in the new container. Why? That depends upon how much you initially are taking both the container capacity or volume. They will not ask you like that. They will ask in the new container what is the ingredient ratio, milk is to water. That we will solve. Are you understood or not understood? All are understood what I am saying? All understand this, boss? Question number 41. 41. Only 40. Next slide. Dirty people. Upper means he is seeing upper. How dirty people? 41. Is there or not? Now I shared two file. I shared two file. Na? All open to 41. Now I shared two file in that one file 41. You read, I will shoot the question. I will not say anything. Allow the mind to read. Done? Tell me, how many container you have? Capacity or volume are same or different? Same. How do you decide it? Equal volume. Understand? For example, 10 liter. Now what is the first fraction? 1/2. Is it milk is to water or milk or water? I need to convert into milk is to water. What is the ratio of milk is to water? 1:1 or 1/1. Second fraction. What is second fraction? 3/4. Is it milk or water or milk is to water? Milk. Convert into milk is to water. What is the ratio? Tell me. From each container, how much is solution you have to take and mix in the new container? Given or not given? What do you have to assume? Entire container empty. 10 liter. For example, you take it 7.755. Depends upon your capacity. Are you understood this bar? Cancel. What is the ratio? 1:1. Equally or unequally mixing? Equally mixing. Understood, not understand. Now you understand what is the meaning of equally or unequally mixing? Now we are going to teach how to solve the question. Are you ready? Now directly can I solve or we can solve by procedure also? Directly we can. Ready? Equally mixing. Type 1. That is equally mixing. Next I will teach you unequally mixing. Don't ask the question related to unequally mixing. First I will teach you equally, then I will teach you unequally. Are you ready? Attention now carefully. I am going to solve by the procedure. The world prehistoric method, you cannot attempt the question like this. Ready? Listen carefully. In the first container, the ratio of milk is to water is 2:3. Total how many part? Out of 5 milk is how much? 2/5. Water is world first method. Understand this, boss? In second container, milk is to water is 3:4. Total how many part? Out of 7, milk is how much? Water is how much? Now I am going to mix this to solution in the new container. Are you understand? From the first container, from the second container. I understand this, boss. Now, what is the mixing ratio? Equally mixing means what is the mixing ratio? 1:1. Dirty people. Are you understood or not understand? Total how many part? 2 part. Out of this first solution how much? Second how much? Are you understand this? But now the question asked, in this new container, what is the ratio of milk and water is asked in the question. Are you understand this? Now tell me. Numerator is milk, denominator is water. So numerator is milk, denominator is water. Now from first solution, how much milk you will take? Half. If I take half from here, some milk will come, some water will come. But I need here milk. So out of half, so I'm differentiating this half with this half. Are you understand this? So I'm taking half liter from first solution. If I take half, how much milk will come? 2/5 plus from second container, how much milk will, how much you are taking? Please listen. Don't think your method. After I solve, then we will see who is the best method. So second container, how much I am taking? 1/2. Some milk will come, some water will come. But I need milk. How much milk will come? 3/7. Are you understand this? From first container, how much I am taking? How much water will come outside? 3/5 plus second container, how much I am taking? How much? Half. How much water will come? How much? 4/7. Are you understand this? This is, if listen very carefully. How much first container I am taking? 1/2. If I take 1/2, how much milk will come? 2/5. How much water will come? This is called from the first container. This is from the second container. Are you understood or not understand this? But now first container milk plus second container milk. First container water plus second container water. Are you understand this bar? Another container is there, you write another expression both here and there. Are you understand this bar? Now tell me. Multiply 1 into 2. 2/10. Then plus 3/14 divided by 3/10 plus 4/14. Are you understand this bar? Now what is the LCM of 10 and 14? Multiply 14, that is 70 is the LCM. Okay, boss. 70 divided by 10. 7 multiply the numerator. 70 divided by 14. 5 multiply the numerator. 70 is the LCM. 70 by 10. 7 multiply the numerator. 70 by 14. 5 multiply the numerator. So what is the numerator? 29/70 divided by 41/70. That is 29/70 into 70/41. Cancelled. What is the ratio? I am writing here. What is the ratio of the milk is to water? 29:41. So in the new container, understood this bar? What is the ratio of the ingredient? 29 is to the world first prehistoric method. You cannot attempt the question like this. Are you understand? Sir, still why you solve like this? Later on you will know in second. Equally mixing means that is a mixing ratio. 1:1. Total how much? 2 part is called total solution in the new container. Out of that, from first container, how much? 1. 1/2 from the first container, 1/2 from the second container. But from the first container, you are taking half means some milk will come, some water will come. So out of 1/2, how much milk will come? How much water will come? Understood or not understand? All are understand this bar? Come to second method. All are ready? Listen now carefully. For example, so first container, the ratio of milk is to water is 2:3. Total how many parts? Second container, the ratio of milk and water is 4:5. Total how many parts? What somebody will do? Sir, they will directly add milk plus milk. How much? Pani plus pani. How much? So now in the new solution, the ratio of milk and water is how much? But when? So what is total here? What is here? That means these two directly adding means what does it mean? From first solution, how much you are taking? 5 part. From second solution, how much part you are taking? That means if these two solutions are mixing in the ratio 5:9, then this is the answer. But we need what? What is the mixing ratio? 1:1. That means this is not that. Are you understand? Not understand this bar. So if you directly add means that means in what ratio these two solutions are mixing? What ratio? 5:9. That means equally or unequally. But what is the mixing ratio I am teaching now? Are you understood or not understand? So if you directly add milk plus milk, pani plus pani, 6:8 is the ingredient ratio in the solution, new solution. But when this is the ratio, if these two solutions are mixing in what ratio? 5:9. Understood and not understand. But we need to mix in what ratio? We need one here, we need one here. Are you understood or not understand this? Ba. It was silent. Listen now, carefully. Come to second method. You cannot attempt like this. Ready? So, in first container, the ratio of milk and water is 2:3. Total how many parts? 5 parts. Second container, the ratio of milk and water is 3:4. Total how many parts? If I directly add this, that means in what ratio they are mixing? 5:7. But we need to mix in what ratio? 1:1. I need here 1. So how can I convert 5 into 1? Divided by 5. Prehistoric method. Understood? You cannot attempt like this. Understood? Divided by 5. 2 by 5. Divided by 5. 3 by 5. Divided by 5. What you will get? 1. Understand? The role of this is over. Are you understand this? I need here 1. How can I convert this into 1? Divided by 7. Are you understand this? So this is 3 by 7. You see how the prehistoric method. Ready? So this is 4 by 7 here. Cancelled, what you will get? Now if I add this roll of 3, so this is over. Now if I, what happened? Now if I add milk plus milk, water plus water, that means in what ratio they are mixing? Anji? Now they are mixing 1:1. Are you understand this? They are totally silent. But you see how much lengthy method? Now tell me. Milk plus milk. What? Milk 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7. Then water plus water. Anji, 3 by 5 plus 4 by 7. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? 35. 35 by 5, 7, multiply the numerator, 14. 35 by 7, 5, multiply the numerator, 15. LCM is 35. Okay, 30, cross multiply, 21 and 20. Are you understand this bar? Now cancelled, what you will get? 29 by 41. You see this? Sorry? World worst method, you cannot attempt like this. Understood this bar? Totally silent. Come to third interpretation. You cannot solve like this also. Ready? Don't ever think while solving, sir, I am solving like that. Can you tell me why, where I went wrong? I will shoot you again and again. Right. Second container, the ratio is 3:4. Total how many part? If I add directly milk plus milk, water plus water, in what ratio this is solution mixing? But we need which here? We need 1 is, if both are same, here 5, here 5, then cancel what is the ratio? 1:1. Here both are 7, cancel 1:1. Now listen what I am doing. Attention carefully. Ready? Now tell me. Here is 7. I need here 7. How can I convert this into 7? I will jump from the building. Understood? Not understand this, boss. How can I convert this into 7?
Take LCM.
Now I divided by 5. Boss, listen. Now you cancelled what is the ratio? 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. What is the ratio? Then it is not disturbing the ratio. Come to here. For example, milk is to water is 5:7. That means 5 by 7. If I am adding numerator and denominator by some number, common number, what is the now ratio? They are not the same. Understand this? I am subtracting numerator and denominator by a common number. Now tell me what you will get? They are not the same. If I am multiplying and multiply numerator and denominator by a common number. So 10 by what? Cancel, what is the ratio? Are you understand this bar? So if I am dividing numerator and denominator by a common number, any number, that means what does that mean? 5 by 3 divided by, that means 5 by 3 into 3 by 7 cancelled. What is the ratio? Same. Are you understood or not understand? You cannot disturb the ratio. If I add or subtract, then earlier ratio and the new ratio must be what? Different. But if I multiply or divided by the ratio by a common number, then the ratio remains. Understood, not understand. So now tell me, I asked, how can I convert this into 7? He is saying add or subtract. That means if I here add or subtract, here you have to add or subtract, then the new ratio cannot be as 2:3. Are you understand this, boss? Are you understand what I am saying, boss? Now tell me, how can I convert this into 7? Multiply by 7 by 5. New value by original value. Are you understood or not understand? So I have to multiply by what? 7 by 5. Are you understand this, boss? Now multiply by 7 by 5. 14 by 5. Ratio 21 by 5. 7 by 5 into 5. Cancelled, what I will get? Are you? The role of this is over. Why? If I cancel, what is the ratio? Same 2:3. Are you understand this, boss? Now tell me, if I am adding directly these two, in what ratio they will mix? 7:7 cancelled, 1:1. Are you understood or not understood this, boss? Now add milk plus milk. What is the milk plus milk? Milk is here how much? 14 by 5 plus what? 3. What is water plus what? Water plus water? 21 by 5 plus what? 4. Are you understand this? So now cross multiply. 15 plus 14. 29 by 5. 20 plus 21. 41 by 5. Cancelled. Answer is 29 by 41. Are you understand this, bar? You cannot attempt like this method. Attention now carefully. So here 5, I need here 5. How can I convert this into 5? Because if both are same number, cancelled, I will get 1:1. Are you understand, boss? So here 5, I need here 5. How can I convert this into 5? Understand? New value by original. That means 5 by 7 into 5 by 7. Are you understand this, boss? Multiply by 5 by 7. 15 by 7. Multiply by 5 by 7. So multiply by 5 by 7. So cancelled, what I will get? 5 part. Are you understood or not understand this, boss? That means the role of 3:4 is finished. Understood or not understand this, boss? Now, in what ratio they are going to mix? Anji? 1:1 they are going to mix. Now you can directly add milk plus milk. Tell me, milk plus milk. What? Milk plus milk, milk. Are yaar. Pani plus pani. No, 3 plus 20 by 7. Are you understand this, bar? Now cross multiply. 2 into 7. 14 plus 15. 29 by 7. Denominator. 3 into 7. 21. What is the numerator? 41 by 7. Cancelled. What is the answer? So whatever the method so far we done, you cannot attempt the question by all this method. Understood? You forgot everything. Don't attempt on disturbing Swaminathan. Understood or not understood this? All are understood what I am saying, boss? Boss, don't invite ambulance. Swami sir murdering, come and help me. Priyadashini's boss, I will hang in the fan, write your name. Who will answerable to? Now tell me, Mamta Banerjee and Mayavadi, you tell me. You know how to maintain both the people, you know? Yes. Listen, boss. Then how can we solve? You will ask like this? Right. So why I am saying like that? In some question in between, somebody will say, sir, I solved like this. Can you tell me where is the mistake? It will disturb the class time. Understood? Now you cannot attempt all this. If you still attempted, that is your responsibility. Understood? Here this G, but only I am saying. Attention now, listen, boss. In first container, the ratio of milk is to water is 2:3. Total how many part? 5 part. Second container, the ratio of milk is to water is 3:4. Total how many part? 7 part. If I directly add this, means in what ratio I am mixing this to solution? 5:7. But we need in what ratio to mix it? We are mixing, equally mixing. That means 1:1. 1:1 means I need to make it both are equal. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? 35. How can I convert this into 35? Into 7, into 7, into 7, into 7. The rule is over, you cancelled. How can you convert this into 35? Into 5, into 5, into 5. The rule of this is over. Now, if I'm adding this two, in what ratio they are mixing? Now add milk plus milk. Milk, pani plus pani. Understood, not understand. Understood, not understood. Allah understood this. Allah understand this, boss. Right. Next lesson.
Yes, sir.
How dirty people. For example, in first container, the ratio of milk is to water is 1:3. Total how many parts? Second container, the ratio of milk is to water is 5:3. Total how many parts? Third, the ratio of milk and water is 7:9. Total how many parts? 16 parts. Are you understand this? Now tell me, if directly I am adding milk plus milk plus milk, water plus water plus water, that means in what ratio I am mixing these three solutions? 4:8 means cancelled. 1:2:4. But in what ratio I am teaching? I need to mix 1:1:1. Are you understood? Not understood what I am saying, ba? Totally silent. Are you understood? Not understood this, ba? So I need to make it all the three are equal. What is the LCM of 4, 8 and 16? I will jump from the building, write your name. Bigger number is 16. It is divided by 8, divided by 4 also. That is the LCM. So 16 is the LCM. How can I convert this into 16? Into 4, into 4, into 4, into 4. How can I convert this into 16? Into 2. Anybody saying Swaga? Into 2, into 2, into 2. It is already 16. Others into 1. Now they are ready to mix. Are you understand this? Cancel in what ratio they are ready to mix? Now you can add milk plus milk plus milk. How much? 24. 17:21. Pani plus pani. How much? 27. Are you understood this? But this is not the ratio. When you say one fraction as a ratio, if they are in their simplest form, are you understood? Not are they the simplest form? Sir, which is simplest form, sir? Sir, 2-digit number, not simplest form, sir. Not like that. Is any common number? Yes, that means that it is not in simplest form. Time being, that is called HCF. Later on we will see. Understand? So cancel what? 7:9. That is the answer. Understand this? Now tell me, what is the ratio of milk and water in the new container? Attention, my language now. Now the question asked like that. Find the ratio of water is to milk in the new container. Water is to milk in the new container. 9:7. Now the question asked like that. Find the percentage or concentration of milk in the new container. How can you derive percentage or concentration? Both are same meaning. Fraction into 100. Which percentage asked? Milk. What is total? 7 plus 9 how much? Out of 16 milk is how much? 7/16 into 100 is called milk percentage. What is water percentage? 9/16 into 100 is called water percentage in the new solution. Understood or not understand? Allah understand this bar. Next lesson. For example, the first container, milk is 70%, water is 30%. Total 100%. Second container, milk is 80% and I apologize. Milk is 45% and water is 55%. Total 100%. Are you understand? So what we are teaching? Equally mixing. That means we need what ratio? If I directly add this, then what ratio they are mixing? Already 1:1. Directly I can add this. So milk plus milk. How much? 115%. Water plus water. 85%. Is it in ratio? No, cancel further. What you will get? 23 is to 17. Understood or not? Silent. If it is in percentage form, don't convert into ratio. Swami sir, why? You will ask like that? No, I will ask. So cancelled, what is the ratio? Total how many part? 10 part. Cancel, what is the ratio? 9:11. Total how many part? Total part not equal. One more step extra added. Take the LCM, make it the total same, then solve, answer will be same. But waste our time. So if it is in percentage form, keep as it is in percentage form and solve the question. Otherwise, if you convert into ratio, solve it, extra one more step added. Understood and not understand this. All understand this? Understand? Understood this bar. So far, we solved, you see here. So how many solutions are there in this example? 2 solution. Understand? I'm not asking how many ingredient like that. 2 solution. Understand this? Here how many solution? 3 solutions. N number of solutions are there. Procedure is same. But so far I taught in each solution, how many ingredients are there? 2 ingredients are there. Listen now carefully, next exam. In first container, A is to B is to C. It's very important. Old monk is to water is to ice cube. Correct first question? Understand this one. They are in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 4. Total how many parts? 9 parts. Second solution. That is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Total how many parts? Now tell me. If directly I am adding old monk, water, what that means in what ratio I am mixing? 9 is to 6 means what ratio? 3 is to 2. But what we are teaching? Equally mixing. That means in what ratio it has to mix? 1 is to 1. Understand this part. I need both are equal. What is the LCM of 9 and 6? Multiply, jump from the building. I will jump from the building. Either your LCM is either bigger number or multiple of bigger number, I told you. Is 9 is divided by 6? No, multiple of 9. That means 18. Yes, 18 is LCM. I told you, still we are not introduced the HCF LCM. At the time I will teach you when you can multiply and say as a LCM. When you cannot multiply and say as a LCM. I will teach you all this thing. Are you understand this bar? So tell me, what is LCM? 18. How can I convert this into 18? Into 2. Into 2. Into 2. Into 2. Into 2. How can I convert this into 18? Into 3. Into 3. Into 3. Into 3. Are you understand? So, listen. Now tell me, in what ratio they are ready to mix? 1 is to 1. Now tell me, add old monk plus old monk. Old monk. Pani plus pani. Pani. Then ice cube plus ice cube. That is understood, then not understand. Not only n number of solutions are there, n number of ingredients are there also. Procedure is same. Understood, not understood. All are understood what I am saying, but online people, something doubt anybody typed? Anybody saying combination is wrong? My saying that. But above that, what? Any camera problem? Acha. Okay. Because I said old Magna, that is why network died. Right. All are understand? That's all about equally mixing. Now you know how to solve. Open the file. First file I said some 4 or 5 pages. What is time? Now only I started teaching out danger people. After I'm teaching old monk also, you are not happy, you see. I thought you attained already moksha already. Yes. Question number 1. Solve question number 1, 2. Question number 1, 2. 1 and 2. I have dirty people. Question number 1, question number 2. Dirty people. Question number 1. Don't manually write. You have to feel what you write. First, smell the question. Understood this part. Dirty people. And now in question number 1, total part is already equal or not? If you cancel 1 is to 1, they already ready to mix in 1 is to 1. Directly add milk plus milk, water plus water. What is the answer? 10 is to 7 is the answer. Yes, very good. Allah understood what you writing. Wait, let others people. Yes, otherwise kids are getting angry. Yes. Don't get angry. Which question? Acha. They are already 17 party cancel 1:1. Milk plus milk how much? Milk plus milk. Yes. What? 10:2? Check properly. How dangerous person. Madam, you old monk, you already tasted, I think. Don't smell too much. You will get a hangover. Yes. That is a ratio. That is not ratio. Further simplify. Getting? 10:7. Later. Question number 2. Question number 2. It is already in percentage form. Don't convert into ratio. 100%, 100%. They are already ready to mix in what ratio? 1:1:1. Understood. Convert means then you have to take the LCM. Waste of time. Now only I told you. Yes, sir. Don't smell too much of the question. You will get hangover. I am not teaching unequally. So far we are teaching him. He will do. Yes. Online people, any doubt? Question number 1. Answer is 10:7. Anybody doubt? Any Aam Aadmi? Question number 2. He is taking this much time. All are 100. They are already ready to mix in 1:1:1:1. Add all the milk plus milk plus milk. Pani plus pani plus pani. 57:23 is the second question. Is it right? 57:23. Later. Yes. All are getting 57:23. 57:23. Right. Now come to UPSC questions. 2 files I shared. 2 files I shared now. Last 2 files. Solve 37 and 41. That is wrongly typed the answer. How danger person. 37 and 41. In the last 2 files, again I shared some 2 files. In that question number 37, 41. Anybody online not satisfied, please ask me. Don't think, don't shy. Yes, we are here to learn. I only know how much I learned from each class. Yes. Is to 23. Later, you are coming like an Indian trainer. Are yaar. You come like a hyperloop. Yes. 37 and 41. But stop. In question number 1 and 2, milk is to water ratio is already given. But in question number 37, milk is given. You have to convert into first milk is to water. Then you have to solve. 37 and 41. Anji. Yes. Which question? So is total part are equal? 37? No, I have to make it equal. I have to take the LCM. Tell me what is the first fraction, Madam ji? Anushka ji. First fraction. Which question you are saying? The 1:3. 1/3 is milk. What is the milk is to water? 1:2. Very good. What is second fraction? That means what is the ratio of milk is to water? Correct only. Then what is total first ratio? First solution ratio total? 1:2. First you wrote 1:2. Total how much? 3. Second 1:3. Total 4. 3 and 4 not equal. I have to make it equal. How dirty people. You are smelling too much. Hangover. I have to change the brand. Old monk. First, done boss. 37 and 41. 37 answer. 7:17. Very good. Then 41. That's just now solving. How danger person. Later. Right.
5:3.
Yes. So don't underestimate this topic. This is all sample question. So don't feel happy. Minimum 1 or 2 questions. So okay, we can skip it. Yes. Because this is not open-ended topic. You can able to attempt any question. Understood this? Yes. But who said? Himanshi said. Right, okay, right. If whatever I will say, nobody will accept it. A female teacher means everybody accepting. How danger person. Acha, acha. So question number 37, what is the answer? 7 is to 17. Anybody doubt? Question number 41, 5 is to 3. Anybody doubt? Anybody? Now everybody understand how you solve equally mixing? Are you understand this? Now you solve question number. Previously, initially I started some 4 or 5 file. In that question number 3. Try that question. Anybody doubt in 41? Online? Online. Question number 1, 2. Anybody doubt? No. Question number in second file UPSC question 37, 41. Anybody doubt? Come let's see. What is that? No, no, no. Right. Question number 37 answer is 7 is to 17. Question number 41 answer is 5 is to 3. All are, if anybody doubted, don't feel any prestige issue. Anybody doubt online? No. Kenji, you getting 41? Very nice. Dimiya madam ji, 41. Are everybody solved, then whom I will solve? Right. Now you solve in the first file, question number 3. Question number 3. Stop up to here.
Right, sir.
Done? What saying? What are you doing? So before coming attention, before coming next class, revise allegation topic again. Allegation topic. Because some of the questions, one more interpretation will come by allegation. Are you understand this? Quickly you have to skim the topic. Question number 3. Answer? Achha, what you done? Tell me answer. But you jump directly to fourth question cleverly. Okay. Anybody doubt so far? That means equally mixing is over. Now I am going to teach you what? Unequally mixing. First, now tell me, can I solve directly or you need the procedure? Dirty person. No, I will not solve by procedure. Then it will take another 10 minutes. Directly we can hit the question. Totally silent. All are ready? 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 Can we solve directly? Na? No need of all the varieties of, then don't solve like that, then come to method. Right. I am assuming. In the first, for example, attention everybody. In the first solution, I am not solving third question. Listen carefully now. Milk is to water is 2 is to 3. Total how many parts? 5 parts. Second container, milk is to 1 is to 2. Sorry. 1 is to 4. So how much? No, hangover. 3 is to 4. No hangover. Because I am going to write mixing is 3 is to 4. That's why. Okay, boss. For example, I am going to write 1 is to, right? Okay, 1 is to 2. Total how many part? 3. Are you understand this? Total silent. All are ready. What is the mixing ratio? I will jump from the building, write your name. Now only I said I am not solving second question. So what is the mixing ratio? Are you understood or not understand this? Totally silent. Now tell me. So what is called 3 is to 4? Here I need 3. How can I convert 5 into 3? Into 3 by 5. From second solution I need here 4. How can I convert this into 4? Into 4 by 3. So but you will get fraction, waste of time. You see what we are doing. First to make both are equal. Convert 1 is to 1, then converting into any ratio is very easy. What is the LCM of 5 and 3? How can I convert this into 15? Into 3. Into 3. Into 3. Into 3. How can I convert this into 15? Into 5. Into 5. Into 5. Into 5. Now they are ready to mix in what ratio? Anji, 1:1. But we need in what ratio? 3:4. I need here 3. How can I convert 1 into 3? Easily you can say into 3. Are you understood? Not understand this bar? So into 3. Into 3 is 18. Into 3 is 27. No, in the best of the time. How can I convert this into 4? Into 4. Are you understand? So into 4. Into 4. No need of writing. Now in what ratio they are ready to mix? To understand this. Now add milk plus milk. Pani plus pani. Understood or not? First you convert 1:1. Now whatever the mixing ratio you need, multiply with that. So I converted into 1:1. Then first I need 3 unit. So first by multiply by 3, second multiply by 4. If you are not to cancel, you will wrongly consider this also. After you multiply something, you converted into what? Next step, you cancel the previous step. And that only I am teaching here. I told you how can you convert 5 into 3? Into 3 by 5. You will get a fraction. Then LCM you need to take it. How can you convert this into 4? Into 4 by 3. You can solve like that also. Are you understand? But here fraction. But more than 2 are there another fraction. Then taking some time. Are you understand this bar? First convert 1:1. Then convert into whatever the ratio you needed. That is the safer side for n number of solutions are there. N number of ingredients are there. Understood or not understand this bar? If I solve, why I am not solving by remaining method? If number of solution increasing, number of ingredient increasing, then you are making the calculation complex. Understood or not understand? Understood everybody? Getting? Now solve second question. Tell me the answer. Wrong. Anji. For example, understood. Listen. Wait. Milk is to attention carefully. Milk in the first solution. Whenever I am teaching, listen. Otherwise, you don't know what I said. What I said here? N number of solutions are there, or n number of ingredients are there. Then this way is the best interpretation. More number of solutions coming. 5 solutions you have. Understand this? Or more number of ingredient. If you solve by other method, then the calculation becomes complex. Are you understood that is this bar? So whenever I am teaching, listen. Whenever I am not teaching, then you can do whatever you want to do. No, 90%. Water is 10%. Total how much percent? Are yaar, I am not teaching anything. Listen. Second solution. Milk is 45. Water is 55. Total is how much? 100%. Third solution. Milk is 20. Water is 80. Okay, boss. Total is 100%. Now, these 3 solutions, you need to mix unequally. For example, question says like this. 4:1:2. This is the mixing ratio. Are you understand? This is the first solution, from second, from the third. So they are already ready to mix in what ratio? 1:1:1. They are ready to mix already. Now we need first how much? 4. I need to multiply this by 4. So into 4. Into 4. No need of multiplying rest of the time. Second, I need what? Into 1. It is already what? Into 1. Into 1. Somebody will ask, sir, why you are not multiplied? Third, I need here 2. How? Into 2. So into 2. Into 2. Now you can add milk plus milk. 400, 445. Pani plus pani. 200, 255. Understood? Not understand this? Cancel. What you will get? 8 times 40, 9 times here, 5 times 1 times. Understood? Not. Are you understood what I am saying? All understand? Tell me what is the answer for third question. 32:73 is the answer. Now you understand the mistake, Madam Ji? No, previously you said it's 8:9 something. Out. This fan. Oh, no fan, right? 32 is to 73. Getting or not getting? All are getting? All are understand. Question number 4. Who told you? 10:30 I said. One question solve. Arey yaar. Fourth question. Already it is in percentage form. Total are 100, 100, 100. They are already ready to mix in what ratio? 1:1:1. Now tell me what is the mixing ratio? 2:5:9. In first solution multiply by 2. Second solution multiply by 5. Third solution multiply by 9. Then add doodh plus doodh plus doodh. Then pani plus pani plus pani. Tell me the wrong answer first. I told you if it is in percentage, convert into ratio, total part not equal. Next one more step added, LCM, make it equal. That only I said here. Arey yaar, whenever I am teaching or you see here, I said here cancel. What is the ratio? No, tell me what is the ratio? 7:3, total 10 part. Cancel, what is the ratio? 9:11, total 20 part. The here 10, here 20, not equal. Then I have to make it equal. LCM, another step. Then final answer is same. Waste. If it is in percentage, don't convert into simplified form. It is another step increasing. Understood? Not understand. First ratio multiply by 2, second multiply by 5, third multiply by 9. Tell me. Milk plus water. What is the ratio? Wrong answer. Take it. You see how others are happy. But wrong answer. Fourth question solve. Already total part are equal. Cancel the ready to mix in 1:1:1. But what is the mixing ratio? First solution multiply by 2. Somebody will multiply 2 vertically. Second solution multiply by 5 horizontally. Third solution multiply by 9. So your answer must be 121:39. You see Kenji. Yes, you see this boss. Priyaji and all getting? Getting ba. Getting all are. Getting all are? Online people. 121:39 is the answer. Anybody doubt? Nobody doubt. Getting or not getting? All are getting. Getting. Today I will sit in the test here. What you people are doing? Somebody planning to escape from the test. Dirty people. They already booked the place in for party, I think. Yes. Your test, you will just continue in this test. Okay, but we will continue in this batch. You can write revise the previous topics. Enjoy. Yes. So question number 5. 9 homework. One question homework. Question number 4 answer is 121:39. In that same file, question number 18. Homework means I have to solve. Question number 18. Question number 18, homework for you. Then, what is the previous topic? Train. Some question left out. Homework for you. Note down. You all forgetting.
24 to 29.
Listen very carefully. In PNC and permutation number system, in each subsection, minimum some in PNC itself, 200 to 300 questions we have to solve. Minimum. In PNC. In number system, minimum you will solve 300 plus questions. That means you imagine how many questions. If I solve all the questions, you know how many times it will take. But I will tell you, I will give the handout. You can reduce the easy question while reaching home. Are you understood this bar? Please homework, please cooperate. Understood this bar? I started PNC 50 something question. 2 classes still not finished. Understand? One subtopic, another subtopic, each subtopic like that. Then when you will finish it? Minimum 250 to 300 question in PNC. Understood this bar? In number system like that. Understand this bar? So enjoy the remaining day, but return Monday. So now 10:30 test will start. So everybody you need breakfast, na? So no issue. I will ask them to share UPSC question also and 50 question test also. Those who appeared UPSC question, those don't appear. Those who are not write UPSC also 50 question also. If only 50 question test, take it around how much? 75 minutes to 80. Jump from the building. 1.5 hours like that. Understand this bar? So if you are writing with UPSC question, then take 2 hours approximately. Understand? But submit it today, tomorrow answers will be disclosed. Enjoy the day. Thank you, boss.